We're going to show you how to install the Viridian laser onto your pistol. Now keep in mind we have a GX4 here, but it's going to be the same process on the G3 or the G2 family. So first off, let's go ahead and unpackage this. We have our laser. And the battery and tools in the box. Now keep in mind, this little one here is going to be for your adjusting for the zero, and the silver one will be actually for installation. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do is make sure that the handgun is clear. It is clear. Now the Viridian laser is made in two pieces. You can actually see the line right here, but it'll actually come already installed like this. So what we'll need to do is remove the two Torx screws on top and bottom. Do not try to remove the screw for the zeroing. So we're going to take these completely out, set them aside. Now that we have them separated, we're going to go ahead and install the battery. So on the battery, there's a plus and a minus in. The plus is going to go towards this spring here, okay? So it fits in just like that. Now that the battery is installed, we'll go ahead and install the laser on the pistol. Now you'll need to start with this blank half first, and there'll be a groove that fits onto the trigger guard. You're just going to push that into place. Now it's important to put this side on first because there are two tabs down here at the bottom that will actually fit into the other piece here. So once you get that, we can go ahead and install this other piece in the same manner. And now it's clicked into place. The only thing we'll need to do now is reinstall these two screws. And now we can check the function of our laser. So you have installed the Viridian red laser on your pistol properly. Now one quick tip before we go is to go ahead and get this almost like a pre-zero before you go out on the range. It's a lot easier to do this inside. And you're actually going to use this small screw, and you will see on the bottom and on the side, this is elevation up and down. This screw is left and right, your windage, okay? And the easiest way to do this is to aim your pistol at a spot on the wall. We will aim and then pull that dot over into where it's lined up on the iron sights. And that's actually perfect. So now, when we go to the range and we start to zero, at least we're going to be on target a lot easier. So that's it for the actual install of the Viridian red laser.